Hello, my babies. Welcome to your English class. And today we're going to learn the vocabulary of this unit, unit number 4. And the topic for today is farm animals. And we're going to see how to say each animal in English. Now I'm going to show you each animal. We have the first animals, and the first animal is horse. The next one is hen. Next one, dog. Next one, it's a little rabbit. Next one, it's a sheep. Next one, it's a rooster. Next one, it's a cow. Cow. And we have the little baby, and this is a little chick or chicken. Do you like? What's your favorite animal of this one? Okay, babies, this is your vocabulary for unit number 4, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching my class, and it's time to say goodbye.